So today, his homework is to learn. I did a HELOC video not long ago, and his homework is to watch that, and I will report back to see what he learned. Right, Kobe Dobe?
Yep. So for the HELOC, sorry.
Yeah, what's a HELOC?
Homework, so HELOC is the home equity line of credit.
Good job.
Basically what it is it's just like the equity of your house, and you can use it, and the way to calculate equity is the worth of your house subtracted by the debt, or like what you owe on your house is your equity.
Good job.
And you can buy properties to help cover your taxes.
Reduce your taxable income, yeah?
Reduce your taxable income, yeah.
If you use it as an investment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How much, for example, do most lenders give you?
80%.
Good. So I just gave him homework. I said property is $300,000. You owe $100,000 on it. How much can you get out in HELOC?
Need the calculator.
Let's see.
80. How do I do that again?
Property value is $300,000
No. So how do I do 80% in
times 80%.
Okay.
Like times 80% sign equals.
160,000.
There you go. Good job. You did it.